All right, we are back. Back again. Shady's back. All right, back talking Power BI and Fabric tenant admin settings, Q&A settings. Let's get into it. Jumping right into it. We didn't even do the lion, right? We're just going right there. All right, Q&A settings. Uh, you know, this one's I don't know how much this is going to continue to be relevant in the day of Copilot and how that's going to work. But what this allows for, first setting, review questions, right? Allow semantic model owners to review questions people ask about their data, right? This is something that honestly you should be aware of and enable this so people can see what questions are being asked so they can even know like people even in the right place asking these questions. There's so much that can be gained from this if you're using Q&A, and Q&A does have a place and can be useful. Like especially if you got a good model and you've got good descriptions, then Q&A can be helpful for that. Uh, Now Copilot's going to change that, but still understanding like and tracking these questions can be really helpful. So I say enable it. Like the only way you might want to turn this off or restrict is if you want to see who could or could not like review those questions. So that I don't know if you want HR looking at some things. I don't know. Generally speaking, you can enable this, no problems. Okay. Next item is synonym sharing. All right. Now we got a bunch of warnings with this one. We're gonna hone in on this so we don't miss any of this stuff. All right. First thing it does, allow people to share Q&A synonyms with your organization. All right. Now there's a learn more link up there. You want this enabled. I guarantee you want this. All right. But it does say keep in mind if you disable, then re-enable this setting. It may take a few weeks. A few weeks to share all synonyms with everyone in your org again. Okay. Like this is not a joke. Don't play with this one. Like just leave it enabled. Don't unless you have a purposeful like I want to reset, which I honestly I'd be struggle to understand how or why you'd want to do that. Like just leave this or open and on for everything. I mean honestly, and this is one of those things where it's just this is an org wide setting. It goes into the base metadata of the platform. You should just leave this on. All right. Okay. If you found this useful, hit that like button, leave a comment. Let me know if I missed something on there. I don't think I did, but again, let me know what questions you have. Happy to try and answer those for you. All right. If you're new, subscribe. That'd be awesome, right? Why not? Heck, turn on the alarm bell. Don't miss any of my future videos. You, you, I am looking at you, right? You have a great day. Peace. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.